I want to teach you guys how to make your first six figures as a life coach. Now, you want to save this video or get a pen or something because I'm going to give you all the details. Now, you know when you are new to a field, right? If you are wanting to take up crocheting lessons and you go to Joann Fabric and you look at all the crochet stuff and you're like, oh my gosh, where do I start? But then you see a crochet kit and you're like, duh, that's a no-brainer. I'm definitely going to get the kit because I don't even know where to start, where to begin. This leads me to you. This is how you're going to make your first six figures as a life coach. You are going to focus on your niche. If you're a fitness coach, if you're a business coach, if you're a confidence coach, you're going to focus on that. You're going to teach approximately 6 to 12 classes for free. You can host a conference call. You can do this live via Instagram or whatever live platform you decide, but you want to record all of these. And you want to teach this for free because you want to get people's butts in seats. You want to get their energy. You want to get their feedback. Once you teach all these classes for free, then what you're going to do is you're going to package all of these classes. Now, these classes need to make sense. You need to think about if you're a fitness coach, you need to think about where is somebody going to start? What do they need? What are the components that they need? If you're a confidence coach, perhaps you want to teach a class on how to discover your purpose, how to increase your self-care. You want to take 6 to 12 topics and teach them. Then you're going to package them. Now, for myself, I called mine because I train life coaches. I called my kit the Life Coach Starter Kit. So for new coaches that did not know where to start, guess what? I had a kit that they could purchase and start from there. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to teach all of these classes. Then you're going to repackage them and you're going to sell them for $297. Your goal is to sell at least one a day. Now, I want you to think about that. There are 8 billion people on this planet. And your only goal is to get one of them to see you, to notice you, and to buy your product a day. At the end of the year, that rounds out to about $108,000 in the year just from that one product. Now, you're just doing this one product. People are going to want to work with you in other ways, like one-on-one. So you're going to be doing that as well. But this kit is going to serve you for years to come. I cannot express to you how much of a perfect strategy this is. If you guys do this and you focus on your kit for the rest of the year, you're going to market your kit, you're going to talk about your kit, you're going to teach classes around. And when you teach those classes, you're going to ultimately lead people back to your kit. You can do this. I want you to comment below. I can sell at least one kit a day. You got to put it out there. You got to put it out, and the atmosphere and the energy. Set the tone, set the tenor, and you can make this happen. Listen, I'm a girl who failed the ninth grade 3 times, never graduated from high school, never got a high school diploma, never gotten it. I'm sitting in a BMW that I paid for cash. Literally, I spoke this. I said that one day I'm going to go on the car. Like, you guys, your words are everything. So I want you to start saying, I sell at least one blank kit a day. And when you do that, you're going to actually take the action steps behind it. And it's going to happen for you. This is the perfect side hustle. Imagine getting to the end of the year and being able to say, I made an extra $100,000 on the side. I don't care who you are, an extra 100 grand at the end of the year will be extremely helpful. So go do what I just told y'all to do.